Front view. Behold the Lamborghini Revuelto in deep black, captured low against a city skyline at dusk. Its razor-sharp nose and sculpted hood cut through the light like a stealth jet, redefining dominance on the road. From above, the Lamborghini Revuelto in black commands attention. Against a glass tower backdrop, its aerodynamic stance and piercing LED headlights show why this is the future of supercars. Interior parts. Step into the cockpit of the Lamborghini Revuelto, where luxury meets technology. Against a glowing neon backdrop, the black Alcantara seats and digital cluster create an immersive driving experience. Wrapped in matte black leather, the Revuelto's steering wheel glows with racing DNA. With a futuristic city blur outside the windshield, every button and paddle speaks precision. The Lamborghini Revuelto's center console in black carbon fiber shines under soft studio lighting. Sleek toggles and a bright infotainment screen rise like the controls of a spacecraft. From the passenger seat, the Revuelto's cabin feels like a high-tech lounge. Illuminated ambient lighting reflects off black finishes, set against a skyline glowing in the distance. The fully digital driver display of the Lamborghini Revuelto comes alive in vivid graphics. With glowing holographic reflections on black panels, every drive feels futuristic. Engine parts. Beneath the glass cover, the V12 engine of the Revuelto pulses with power. Framed in polished black panels, it gleams under dramatic lighting like the beating heart of a legend. A close look at the Lamborghini Revuelto's engine reveals precision engineering. With chrome pipes glowing against black carbon, the powertrain is both beauty and beast. The wide rear vents of the Revuelto in black highlight cooling, power, and performance. Against a blazing sunset, they give the car a jet-like presence. Quad exhausts, framed in glossy black, dominate the rear. Flames flicker in the reflection of metallic chrome, set against a dark city highway. The Lamborghini Revuelto's full V12 hybrid engine bay glows beneath its glass cover. With futuristic studio lights reflecting off black bodywork, it's pure automotive art. Headlights and backlights. Cutting through the dark, the Y-shaped LED headlights of the Revuelto glow like electric fire. On a rain-washed street at night, the black supercar looks alive. From the front, the Lamborghini Revuelto's headlights stretch wide, framing its bold black body. With mountains in the backdrop, its presence is unforgettable. Fiery red Y-shaped taillights pierce the night sky. The Lamborghini Revuelto in black commands the road, glowing against neon city lights. When the brakes ignite, the Lamborghini Revuelto glows like a rocket ship ready to launch. Against a glowing highway, the black body reflects pure power. Charging and power parts. A close view of the Revuelto's charging port highlights its hybrid technology. Against a futuristic metallic background, the black panels gleam with innovation. Parked under glowing neon lights, the Lamborghini Revuelto in black connects to a charging dock. A perfect blend of electrification and raging V12 spirit. The in-cabin battery display glows on the digital screen, framed by glossy black finishes. Set against a futuristic dashboard view, its performance electrified. Technological parts. The Lamborghini Revuelto's infotainment screen lights up with sharp graphics. Surrounded by black leather and carbon, it feels like piloting a spacecraft. A holographic HUD projects speed and navigation directly on the windshield. Against city lights, the Revuelto in black turns data into adrenaline. Toggle the drive modes, and the Revuelto transforms. The sleek black selector glows red under spotlight, putting raw power at your fingertips. Hidden seamlessly in the black body, sensors and radars keep the Revuelto sharp. Against a futuristic testing tunnel, technology meets performance.